Conventional wisdom in training, which is both dated and ineffective for reaching an athlete's maximum potential, is known as the sport skill paradigm. This way of thinking is based upon success in sport and is acquired solely through sport skill development. To perform in any sport using this model, you must practice the skills in that sport, such as hitting, throwing, kicking, catching, shooting, or dribbling, all skills associated with specific sports. The secondary part of this model, again proven to be ineffective for anyone that wants to perform at the upper limits of their talent, is that the few practices or games an athlete participates in each week provide enough physical activity for both conditioning and performance enhancement. The Parisi training system is based upon a different philosophy called a performance paradigm. This approach, based upon years of research and training with athletes of all levels, is centered on the thought that enhanced athletic performance is not sports skill related, but based upon the enhancement of physical attributes such as speed, strength, agility, quickness, balance, and power, all things that have to be developed before the athlete can maximize his or her sports-specific skills. If your child or any athlete was faster, quicker, stronger, or had better endurance, would he or she perform better in their sport? The answer would be an emphatic yes. Regardless of the skill needed for the sport, the athlete will always perform better if they enhance their speed, agility, and quickness. We use the athlete pyramid to illustrate the performance paradigm. The top of the pyramid, which can be extended ever higher as performance increases, is the goal. The only way for any child to reach their peak potential is by expanding the width of their base. The higher you want to achieve, the broader the base has to become. The width of the base for every athlete is determined by the development of speed, agility, strength, power, endurance, and nutrition. Increasing these physical traits automatically leads to greater self-confidence and a higher level of play. Physical fitness is the core of athletic performance and is the prerequisite to optimal performance. Any athlete that combines core athletic development with skill development will always be the more successful performer on the field. Parisi's has taken years of research with tens of thousands of professional, college, high school, and grade school athletes and has come to one conclusion: success in any sport begins at the Parisi Speed School.